Number 28. Predict by what modes of spontaneous radioactive decay each of the following unstable isotopes might proceed. And then we have Pa, right? And they tell us that we have a mass number of 235 and an atomic number of 91. Okay, so I believe Pa is protactium, but either way, doesn't really matter. It's an unstable isotope, right? This version of it. And unstable isotopes are going to be radioactive. So they're going to decay in a way to produce a more stable nuclide, whatever that nuclide is. But now we just have to determine what type of decay mode is going to happen, right? Whether you're undergoing beta emission, positron emission, electron capture, or alpha emission. Now the first thing is, always look at that atomic number. Big nuclei, atomic numbers that are greater than 83, have to lose a lot of mass very fast. So alpha emission is the key because an alpha particle is just a helium. You lose 4 mass numbers and you lose 2 atomic numbers in one go. So you're losing a lot of stuff quickly, more quickly than a beta emission can give you positron emission or an electron capture. So I'm looking here, my atomic number, which is the lower number of the two, right? So this is the atomic number. The atomic number for protactium is 91. Oh boy, that's a big number. And even more so that this is greater than 83. So we know what this answer is. Any atomic number that's greater than 83, chances are it's going to go under alpha emission. And that is the final answer. So I think for this one, you're pretty good, right? Alpha emission is going to be the key here. And let's color this in. And that is that. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Oh, I hate when I go over a little bit. Let's maybe make that, beautiful. Oh boy. Okay, whatever. So that's the answer. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out a little bit more. We also have memberships on the channel now if you want more perks from us. So you could check that out. I hope you have a great school year this year, and best of luck to you on your tests and quizzes. I'll be rooting for you. I'll talk to you soon, okay? All right, bye-bye.